Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Niftywala, and today I have made this short video to help you understand as to how does technical analysis work and how do you read a chart. There are a lot of people who don't know how to read a chart or see a chart, and this video is for them, which will help you to understand a very basic ground level technical analysis without having any background information or knowledge of how charts work. So this is the ABC of technical analysis that I'm going to talk over here. So how does this work? So basically, as you can see over here, this entire chart is the chart of Nifty. As you can read over here, this is a Nifty chart which I opened over here, Nifty 50. And what you can see is these are all candles. All these are called as candles. And there is something called as date. So you have to see the date over here. You read the date over here. So this is how you come to know, okay, so today was 6th of March and Nifty closed at 17,711. This is how you read the chart as a very basic. You read this and you say, okay, Nifty closed at 17,711. Now what happened in Nifty today? Nifty went up and closed at a lower. So you have to see that, okay, today the open was 17,686. It went to a high of 17,797. It made a low of 17,683 but closed at 17,711. So it did not go above 17,800. It reversed from there and came to close at 17,711, which is why I have drawn this arrow that it went up and then it came down today, and this is how it is made. So this is a very basic how you read a candlestick chart. Now I'm going to draw a trend line over here, which is a very basic of a technical analysis chart. This tells us as to, okay, how is the price behaving in a particular time frame. So the line which I have drawn over here, this is called as a trend line. This is the upper range of the trend line. And why did I draw it like this? Because every time Nifty comes over here near this trend line, it takes a reversal. Now technical analysis always depends on the past data. So I am looking at the past data from 1st of December onwards, and I am making a chart which shows me that, okay, every time Nifty comes near here, mostly it takes a reversal. So here this was an exception. 16th of February it went up, but it again came down by the date which is the 21st of February. So it came down and went towards the lower side. Now how do I understand that, okay, this is the upper side, it reverses, but where does it always take a support from? So I will try and make the demand side or the lower band of the trend channel. This is basically called as a channel. So in this channel, Nifty is always making its move. This is how you understand the basic of the chart. So okay, Nifty always comes over here and it takes a reversal from here, goes to the upside, again comes over here, goes to the upside, and it tries to come over here. But in the last 4 days, what has happened is that it did not come all the way till here, but just before coming over here, it took an upward movement and it went to the upper side of the channel. So this is the basic of technical analysis and the trend line and basic of candle. And the basic of candle stick is what you need to understand is that these red big candles that you see, these are bearish candles, and this green big candles that you see, these are called as a bullish candles, which means there was a buying which happened on that day and it closed above the previous day's close. So it makes a green kind of a candle over here. So now basis this chart, what kind of an analysis I can draw and figure out as to, okay, what will happen in the future days. So I will make let's just suppose that it forms a green color kind of candle in the coming days. Let's just say on the 8th of March when the market opens, 7th of March the market is closed. So on the 8th of March, if the market opens and makes a green color candle like this, it will become bullish. The market will become bullish. Now how can I say that the market will become bullish? So I need to look at this particular candle. When was the last time it fell from? So it fell from this range, which is 18,130 level to be precise. So it went up till here and it fell. So what is possible is if it manages to close above 18,130 in the coming days, then it will possibly go up and the nifty will turn into bullish. So this downtrend which is going on right now will convert into an uptrend. This is how you read the basic of a chart. Let me also draw an arrow for you so that you can clearly demarcate as to, okay, this is the level above which the nifty will be considered bullish. So this is the level, this arrow which I have drawn over here at 18,200 level. So if you see one candle close over here and the next day if the candle closes above this, then the market will turn bullish. So we need to see this kind of a green candle formation above this. When we see this kind of a candle, which means it is making higher highs and higher lows. When it makes higher highs and higher lows, it forms a green bullish candle and closes above the previous bearish candle. This previous bearish candle which we see, if it starts closing above this, then the trend will change and change to the bullish trend, and then we can say that, okay, nifty has now become bullish. So this is how you read the chart at a very basic level, and this is a very basic way in which you draw a trend line and read a chart and then make a basic analysis of the future and predict that, okay, what is possible. So on 7th 8th March, on the 8th March, if it opens, it goes like this, we'll say that, okay, it's becoming bullish. But on the contrary, if on 8th March it starts making a red candle and it closes below the previous candle, so if something like this happens on 8th of March, then we can say that, okay, this was bullish for 2 days, but it formed a candle like this and it did not go here, but it started coming downward. So this green line which I have drawn, mostly it has reversed from here, it's reversed from here, it reversed from here. So again, if it reverses from here, then the possibility is that, okay, it will again start falling like this and it will make new lower lows in the coming days. So this is possible in the coming days. This is how I would draw a basic understanding and predict the analysis using my analysis of nifty chart. And if you like this particular information and the video, please hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it costs a lot of effort on my part to make videos like this for you. So there is nothing that you have to pay, but all what you have to do is hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and you get informative videos like this. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. This is Neeraj Nifty Wala.